Now the route of administration, third route classification is a local application. Local applications is various form of the drugs is available. For example, ointment, cream, jellies, paste, liniment, etc. Local application is the simplest mode of administration of a drug at the site where the effect is desired. In this method is used for topical effect on the skin or mucous membrane or deeper tissue. Generally, very common, the drug you can apply by externally at the site of body parts. That maybe you call the topical effect on the skin, mucous membrane and the deeper tissue. For example, you are having the swelling, you can apply Oidex. It's a common example. Oidex, afterwards swelling is decreased. The drug goes through the skin, blood capillary through the blood, and then they decrease the swelling. Now, in the sense they can apply by the externally topical applications. Their concentration is that such a drug having the limitations. These drugs generally having the limitations, concentration. They should not apply the full concentrations. Okay. The systemic absorption of the drug in the local application is negligible. That's why it is not used. But nowadays transdermal patches are available. It's the most effective. Because it's a slow and they're having the sustained release in the tissue. They're having the property sustained release in the tissue for a long time. And nowadays, that's why they use now the local application. Doctor also use nowadays a serious patient, painkiller, unable to take injections, all these things. The patches are used. That is a transdermal. They penetrate to the skin and they having the property sustained release. Is a long time drug can be released and produce the effect. That is a new concept. New concept in the sense of earlier use, but nowadays most widely used. Now the route of administration, different type of the routes and their information. I told you, you prepared your notes very properly, because the one or two question asked the route of administration always in the annual examination. Explain route of administration and then advantage, disadvantage. In this chapter you will study the different form of the Now today you have to study different form of the route of administration. Next session we will study their advantage and disadvantage as per as per oral route, parental route, local application. You will see one by one. Okay, thank you.